All right, guys. So one of the things you want to do, especially messing with the fuel pump, is you want to relieve the pressure from the fuel pump, and that's a really big thing. I've seen some YouTube videos where people didn't do anything about relieving the pressure, the pressure from the fuel. I didn't see any mishaps, but you want to do it the right way. Do it this way. So what you want to do is you want to turn the car on, okay? Well, before I turn the car on, because the car's going to be loud, because I haven't started it up, it's going to be a loud startup. The fuse box that's in the hidden fuel box, the third actual fuse box that's hidden next to the battery, and I'll go over there and show you, when I'm done turning the car on, is the box that you want to, matter of fact, let me just go over there and do it now because I know the car's going to be loud. All right, so the car's on. Got that there. I got a smaller needle nose. Go ahead and you pull, so you guys can see it. I don't know if you can see it. All right, now watch the car. Bam, cuts right off because it is one simple fuse. So I'm gonna put this right here, nice and safe, and we go ahead, we cut the car off. Bam, car is off. And there's nothing wrong with your car when that happens, guys. It's just, that's what you got to do to be able to release the pressure. Now, I've seen a lot of people also, the gas cap. I don't know how true this is. I don't know if it's some type of myth, but people also take the gas cap off from the back as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Just because I'm such a conspiracy nut. So yeah. We took the gas cap off, and last thing is to take the negative off, and that's it. We're ready to go to the back. And that's how you relieve the pressure from your fuel pump, guys. All right, let's go.